Hello and welcome back. So in this video I will show you a faucet from which you can make as many claims as you want daily. The best thing is that there is no waiting time between the claims. You have to wait 0 seconds in order to make your next claim. I will show you the proof right now. Here you can see it says itself you can claim every 0 seconds. So you can see the payouts. With the normal you are getting so this is the Doge faucet. Other faucets are also available. I will show you others as well. With the normal you are getting 0.003 Doge. With the second normal you are getting 0.24 Doge, and with the weird you are getting 3.5 Doge. But I have always got only this one, so the chances of 0.24 Doge and 3.5 Doge are very low. But the good thing is that there is no timer, so you can keep on making the claims. Let me refresh the page and let me show you my Faucet Pay account. Refresh this as well. You can get your payments in Faucet Pay as well as in Express Crypto. It is your choice what you want. So here you can see last claim was from Doge Star of 0.003 Doge. So this is the Doge faucet. I am gonna make the claim. You can select your captcha that you want from the here 3 captchas available: reCAPTCHA, HCAPTCHA and drain captcha. I will go with reCAPTCHA and let the site load. You have to complete the 2 antibots, the reCAPTCHA and the antibot, and then you can make the claim. Let it load, and here it is with reCAPTCHA. So my address is already attached. Complete the first captcha, then the second captcha. Wait for a few seconds and click on the get reward button, and the claim is made. Refresh, and here you can see change to 3 and Doge Star 0.003 added. Refresh the page to make the next claim, and here you can see the claim is available without any timer. Fill in the captcha, the second captcha, and then hit the get reward button. Again refresh the page and keep on making the claims as much as you want. You can see 0.0003. Refresh Faucet Pay, and here it is. So there are other faucets also available. If you go to the more faucets option at the top, you can see from here the faucets for Faucet Pay that are available are Bitcoin faucet, Ethereum faucet, Dogecoin faucet, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash and Digibyte, Tron Star, Tether Star and Fiora claims are also available, and Express Crypto is also available. The claims are same for both, so you can use any. For Express Crypto, Bitcoin is available, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Digibyte and Tron. So you can choose any you want. Now I will go with the Ethereum. Open in new tab and with the Bitcoin as well as the Dogecoin. I will make claims from all of these. You can see all are of 0 seconds, 0 second and 0 second. So let's make the claims. My Dogecoin address is already attached here. Let me add my Ethereum address. So all of my addresses are attached. With the Dogecoin, in the normal case we are getting 0.003 Doge. Fill in the captcha, the second captcha as well. and hit the get reward button. For the second faucet, with the Ethereum faucet, the normal case is you are getting 15 satoshis of Ethereum. My address is attached. Filling the captcha, the second captcha, and click on the get reward button. With the Bitcoin, the normal case, you are getting 1 satoshi. So filling the captcha, fill in the second captcha, and then click the get reward button. So the claim is made. Now all you have to do is keep on refreshing the page and keep on making the claim. There is no timer. Let me show you. Here you can see all of the claims received instantly in my FaucetPay account. So all you need to do is keep on refreshing the page and keep on making the claims. You can use any faucet that you want. All of them are with 0-second timer, so you don't have to wait for making the next claim. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as if you like our videos, hit the like button as well. So I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.